The First Latitude Credit Card is designed for people who may be new to credit or rebuilding after past financial mistakes. Approval is simple. There's no minimum credit score required, and applying won't hurt your credit at all because there's no hard inquiry. Right out of the gate, this card stands out because it reports all your activity to all three major credit bureaus. So every on-time payment you make has a real positive effect on your credit score. For anyone who's been locked out of mainstream credit cards or is looking for a no-pressure way to add positive information to their credit report, this can be a breath of fresh air. Using the First Latitude card feels like a straightforward, manageable path to better credit. Once approved, you set your credit limit by providing a refundable security deposit. This can be as little as $200 or go up to $2,000, which means you have control over how much you want to put down and, in turn, your spending power. That deposit is fully refundable when you close your account in good standing. What's also practical is the immediate reward structure. You earn 1% cash back on every payment you make toward your balance. This is a rare feature for secured cards, which are more often stripped of any real perks. The cashback accrues as points, and once you have enough, at least 500 points, which is equal to $5, you can easily redeem them through their user-friendly app or by phone, and the credits are applied directly to your account balance. One particular pain point that First Latitude solves is the anxiety over being approved or damaging your score with yet another hard inquiry. Since there's no credit check that dings your report, it welcomes those who've struggled before or who are still building a history. The card is accepted anywhere Mastercard is used, so it's reliable for daily use, online shopping, travel, or emergencies. Plus, after 6 months of on-time payments, users become eligible to apply for a second card, which can further help build credit if managed responsibly. However, it's important to be realistic about the cons. Like most secured cards, First Latitude requires a deposit, and while you get that money back when you close the account in good standing, it still ties up funds that could be needed elsewhere. Although the monthly rewards are a plus, a 1% cashback rate isn't going to make a huge difference in your day-to-day finances. Think of it more as a nice bonus rather than a game changer. It's also vital to understand exactly what earns rewards. Payments toward fees or refunds don't count. Lastly, details about possible annual fees or interest rates aren't specified here, so potential applicants should check the terms for any extra costs that might erode the benefits. In summary, the First Latitude credit card is a strong tool for building or repairing credit while adding a small incentive, 1% cashback on payments. It makes getting started simple, doesn't punish you for applying, and helps create a positive credit history. As with any secured card, it's not without risks. There's upfront money involved, ongoing responsibility to pay on time, and the usual reality that missed payments or overspending can still damage your credit. Those who use the card thoughtfully will likely see real progress with their credit and get a little extra in rewards. But like any financial product, understanding the terms and staying disciplined is key to making it work in your favor.